Hey guys, welcome to our workout from home channel. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend, and if you're liking our workouts, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos. Before getting into the workout, let's do some warm up. For the warm up, do 20 jumping jacks. And after jumping jacks, do some mountain climbers. And once we are done with the mountain climbers, do 5 push-ups. And after push-ups, get into pigeon pose for 20 seconds on each leg. And so this is our warm-up. Once we are done with the warm-up for the workout, we are buying in with 100 mountain climbers. Then we are doing 3 rounds of 16 squat jumps, 12 hand release push-ups, then 8 burpees. And once the 3 rounds are done, we are cashing out with another 100 mountain climbers. So this is our workout for today. So for the mountain climbers, we are getting into high plank position. Here, make sure your wrists are directly under the shoulders and your core is engaged. Keep your butt low, and we'll be moving like running in this high plank position, like this alternate legs. So we are buying in with 100 mountain climbers, and after that we are doing 16 squat jumps. So for the squat jumps, we are getting into full squat position, and from here you will move up and jump from the ground. So we are doing 16 of these like this. And make sure when you go into squat position, you're going below the parallel, that is below your knees, and jump from there. So this is squat jumps. We're doing 16 of these, and after that we are doing 12 hand release push-ups. And for hand release push-ups, we are starting in the high plank position like this. From here you'll reach the ground. Once the chest is touching the floor, you'll release the hands from the floor and then do a push-up. So like this. So we are doing 12 of these, and if you want to modify this, you can keep your knees on the floor like this. From here, get into push-up position, release the hands from the floor, and then do a push-up like this. So this will be a modified hand release push-up. And after this, we are doing 8 burpees. We are doing the regular burpees. So we are doing 8 of these. Once we are done with 3 rounds of squat jumps, hand release push-ups and burpees, we are going to cash out with 100 mountain climbers again. So this will be our workout for today. I'll do 1 round of the movements with some mountain climbers. So here we go. This is our workout for today. Hope you guys like it. Thank you. See you.